Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Dead. The baby father dead, and she just decided to kill the baby too. Can you imagine? When I rape him, they'd rape me and beat me and have my wicked certain way. I have the baby and maybe reach far now, I go kill him. If I never kill the baby, then I can't kill the baby now. The wicked bad man, real wickedness that.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my people, information I reach to me now. Say, the video went viral, right? Where you see a woman. Basically, you never see the face of the woman still, but you see a baby and they have a bag over the head. You understand? I look up picking them, my people. Them said this are the woman, it is alleged. Say I see the picture, my people. You understand? Who responsible for doing something so cruel, something so wicked, something so vicious, my people? You understand? How can someone have that heart to do something like this? Honestly, my viewers and subscribers, and what kind of punishment you think someone like this will get? Not even life in prison good feet. You understand? Because they look a baby, you know, and he have the bag over the picnic head. And them said this is Jamaica, my people. It is alleged said this is Jamaica. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. When the video sent to me, my people, I say, this can't be Jamaica. You understand? But then information I come to me say it is Jamaica. Them send the picture to me, you understand, and say see it in NEWLINK. And police don't hold her at the time when them send it. But I don't know if now police do hold her, my people. But all I can say, this is wickedness, this is cruelness, and a straight attack for that same thing. A straight attack. You understand? And that's some me I go style it. That same thing, you understand? Straight attack. Big up on yourself, my people. Enough love, enough respect. Attack.